Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Melly and today I'm going to show you how to make quick and cheap party sandwiches in paper cups. So let's go. To start, I use a cup of lukewarm water, 1 packet of dry yeast, and a small spoonful of sugar. I mix this well and put it to one side for a few minutes. Now I take a bowl and pour in 4 cups of flour for 8 ready-made cups. Add oil to taste. I like it with olive oil. Add a small spoonful of sugar and mix it all together. Finally, I add my hands, because the dough firms up quickly. Alternatively, you can also use a mixer. Knead again with your fingers until the dough no longer sticks to your fingers. Otherwise, simply add some flour. I give the yeast 60 minutes to develop and play with my daughter during this time. The dough should be big and strong. So, the first relaxation time is now over. Let's move on. Uncover the dough and knead it again with love. And now divide the dough into suitable pieces. Now shape the dough into balls. The children are happy. Sprinkle a little flour into the tins and put the balls in. Now our party breads are very stressed and need another rest. I give them another 20-minute break. Cover them so that the moisture doesn't come out. During this time, I preheat the oven to 190 degrees with convection. Look how beautifully they have opened. During this time, we can mix the more water mixture. I use 2 spoons of flour and 4 spoons of water. I mix this into a paste. A few more minutes, and the resting time is over. 20 minutes over, great. Now comes the flour glaze. Simply brush it on with a brush and add the sesame seeds. Now it goes into the oven for 20 minutes. No. 20 minutes later, the party can start right away. Take the bread out and leave to cool for 10 minutes. Some breads come out of the bakery just by squeezing them. Listen for yourself when I slice it. You know how I like fresh bread best. Simply with butter or homemade jam. My daughter loves it too. Have fun making it and see you in the next video. Yours, Melly.